Hey, it's Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the lint filter assembly inside this Fisher Paykel dryer. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. If the screen on your lint filter gets damaged or torn, lint may pass through the dryer and start developing a clog in the exhaust vent in your house. With the lid open, start by removing the screw at the bottom of the lint assembly. Next, turn the assembly clockwise to release and remove. If you have a bad lint filter and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the filter, start by aligning the filter to the cover with these notches and set in place. When installing, make sure this screw hole is positioned on the bottom. Then, align these tabs with these notches and turn counterclockwise to lock back in place. Finally, reinstall the Phillips screw. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.